Hey everyone! If you've ever tried opening the Notion desktop app only to get stuck on a loading screen or a black window, don't worry, you're not alone. This is a fairly common issue that happens when the app can't properly connect to Notion servers or when some local files or settings are corrupted. Let's go through a detailed step-by-step guide to fix it and get you back to being productive. The first thing to check is whether Notion servers are online. You can do this by visiting Notion's status page. If everything looks good there, the problem is most likely on your device. One common cause is that Notion didn't close properly and left background processes running, which can interfere with the app starting up. To fix this, press Ctrl-Shift-ESC to open Task Manager. Search for Notion and end all related processes. Once that's done, try reopening the app. Sometimes the issue is your internet connection. Slow Wi-Fi, IP conflicts, or network restrictions can prevent the app from connecting to the servers. You can try switching to mobile data by enabling a hotspot on your phone and connecting your PC to it. Before switching, you can also try flushing your DNS or renewing your IP to fix the connection without changing networks. VPNs can also interfere with Notion. Many free or paid VPNs can slow down the connection or trigger server restrictions that stop the app from loading. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it and reopen Notion to see if that solves the issue. Another frequent culprit is corrupted cache files. These can prevent the app from starting properly. Close Notion completely, then navigate to C:\users\your username /appdata/roaming and delete the Notion folder. Don't worry, this only removes temporary files, not your saved content, but make sure everything is synced before doing it. After deleting the folder, restart your PC and open the app again. Notion will rebuild fresh cache files, which often solves the problem. If all else fails, you can try launching Notion through your web browser. Open Notion in Chrome or Edge, click the three dots in the top right corner, and choose Open in Windows App. This can sometimes bypass errors that prevent the desktop app from loading. By following these steps, terminating background processes, checking your internet, disabling VPN, clearing cache, and trying the browser workaround, you should be able to fix most issues with Notion not loading on your PC. If this guide helped you, don't forget to share it with your team or friends who use Notion. And drop a comment below if you have other tips or run into new issues. Stay productive.